The AromaRoom HEPA14 Air Purifier is designed for large spaces, effectively covering up to 2,100 square feet with its impressive air cleaning capacity. Utilizing a medical-grade H14 HEPA filter, this purifier captures 99.99% of tiny particles, making it an excellent choice for those suffering from allergies or pet owners. This device features a smart PM 2.5 sensor that monitors air quality in real time and automatically adjusts the fan speed to ensure optimal air conditions. With its ultra-quiet operation at only 22 decibels, the AromaRoom purifier is perfect for bedrooms or offices, providing clean air without disturbing your peace. The purifier's sleek design makes it suitable for various settings, while its powerful performance ensures rapid purification, achieving a clean air delivery rate of over 350 cubic meters per hour. Remember to remove the plastic packaging from the filter before use, and note that the filter requires replacement after 2,160 hours of operation.